Hello, I am Khalid Mustafa and I am a student of B.Pharm first year at Hygeia Institute of Pharmacy. My topic is proteins. So let us discuss about the protein. Firstly, we will discuss about the chemical nature of protein. Protein are the heteropolymers of straight chain amino acid containing elements carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Protein react with acid or enzyme to form peptide and free amino acid by hydrolysis. They provide structural support to the cell. Non-covalent bond break with heat by denaturation. Protein have the molecular weight ranging from 5000 to 30 lakh. Now classification of protein. It is divided into three parts based on structure, based on composition, based on function. Based on structure, it is divided into three parts: fibrous protein, globular protein, intermediate proteins. Based on composition, it is divided into two parts: simple protein and conjugated protein. Simple protein contains albumins, globulins, histones, scleroproteins, and conjugated protein contain phosphoprotein, glycoprotein, nucleoprotein, chromoprotein, lipoprotein, and flavoprotein. Based on function, structural protein, enzyme, hormones, pigments, transport protein, storage protein, etc. Now, structure of protein. Protein are classified into four special types. First is primary protein structure, secondary protein structure, tertiary protein structure, and quaternary protein structure. In primary protein structure, sequence of a chain of amino acid, as you can see in the structure that there is a single chain of amino acid is present. Secondary protein structure, local folding of polypeptide chain into helix or sheet as shown in the figure, that is alpha helix and beta plated sheet shown. Tertiary protein structure, it contains three-dimensional folding pattern of a protein due to side chain interactions. Quaternary protein structure, protein consisting more than one amino acid. As you can see in the structure, there is two different amino acids are present. Now let us discuss about the biological role of protein. Enzymes are the protein which catalyze the rate of reaction. They help in the transport and storage like hemoglobin, myoglobin, albumins, etc. Actin and myosin are the contractile protein present in the muscles. Proteins act as protective like keratins. They act as supportive like collagen. They act as defensive like immunoglobulins. Receptor protein generate and transmit nerve impulses. And as a fuel, proteins provide as much energy density as carbohydrate, that is 4 kilocalorie per gram. Thank you so much.